Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have collab here, Gwen Stefani and Blake Shelton. This one is called Purple Irises. It's a nice song there, and it's pretty straightforward when it comes to the playing here, and pretty easy chords as well. No need for any capo, so that's nice. Let's take a look at the chords like we usually do. And we have 6 chords here to handle. So starting here with the G, that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have A next, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have the D F here, that is a D basically, but with an F sharp in the bass. So it sounds like that. It's 2nd on E, open A or muted. It's up to you. If you mute it, you just lean the finger using there on the 2nd E on top of the A, and it gets muted without this bad sound. Anyway, that's that, and then over to open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. We have B minor, it's a bar chord. So you place the bar here, the index finger on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string, so just 5 strings from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have E minor, so open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so that's the 6 chords: G, A, D, F, B minor, E minor, and D. Alright, so we have a strumming pattern we need to learn. So if we go to the first chord, the G, one round will be down, up, clap, up. Alright, so a couple of rounds of it. Alright, so let's start this one with the verse, and actually also the pre-chorus is played in the same way. You have the G, 2 string rounds, A, 2 string rounds, D, F, 2 string rounds, and B minor, 2 string rounds. So G, A, D, F, and B minor, 2 strummings per chord, and like this it sounds. Another round. Pretty easy, huh? So that's the verse and the pre-chorus, and then over to the chorus. All right, so this chorus is about 4 rows, so to speak. That's what I think of when I think of this chorus. So the first row is, the first and second is E minor, 2 string rounds, A, 2 string rounds, B minor 2, and G2. So play that for 2 times, 2 rows, and then on the 3rd round, you go for E minor 2, A2, D2, and B minor 2. That's the 3rd round, and the 4th and final round is back to the 1st and 2nd, same there. So E minor 2, A2, B minor 2, and G2. All right, so it's about 4 rounds in total. The first 2 and the 4th is the same. The 3rd one is one when it differs a little bit. So let's do one chorus together, starting with E minor 2, A2, B minor 2, and G2. Again. Now E minor 2, A2, D2, B minor 2, and then was the same as the starting 2 rounds. So that is 1 round of the course. All right, so there you have the verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. But then later, after the second round of this course, about 2 minutes and 20 seconds into the song comes a bridge part, and in the lyrics, we are blooming. We are blooming. Right there, you're gonna start and with this A and G shift alternating there. So you're gonna play A four strumming rounds. So 4 times of the strumming for A, and then you go to G and play 4 strumming rounds of G as well. So you do that for 4 rounds. So A 4, G 4 times 4. So a couple of rounds will be again A4, G4. And so on. We did 2 rounds there, you did it for 4 rounds, and that's your bridge part. And after that, you go back and play the final parts of it. So here we have all the tools, the verse, the pre-chorus, which is the same, and then the chorus, and also the bridge part to handle Stefani's and Shelton's Purple Irises. Nice song, very guitar friendly. Hope that helped, guys. So if you enjoyed this one, please support me here on Going Guitar. I love to see your feedback, and also to see this channel grow. So if you haven't subscribed yet, why not? So hit that button there, and perhaps the like button if you wish. So yeah, hope to see you soon, guys. Until next time, play tuned.